Thank you for choosing Dumbo Moving and Storage. Moving can be a great experience if you're doing it right. By taking just a few easy steps, you can make your own move simple for you and for your movers at Dumbo Moving. Step 1. Make sure to review the order for service sent by your sales representative to ensure the accuracy of the quote. Make any changes needed and then confirm the order with your sales representative. Next, check the accuracy of each location's address as well as the date and time of the move. If you see a mistake, tell your representative. Are the prices, terms, and conditions what you agreed to? Read the fine print. Finally, there's an inventory list. Does it match the items in your apartment before the move? It should have exactly the same number of boxes and pieces of furniture and anything else that you are moving to your new place. Step 2. Remember to check with the management company of your building or your superintendent to see if there are any restrictions on the time or details of the move. Also, we will need the names of an additional insurance certificate holder and the fax and email of the building management or landlord. Step 3. Place all boxes and containers in the middle of each room. Movers always remove boxes first to ensure that there is enough space to wrap the furniture. Step 4. Leave your hanging clothes in the closet. Dumbo Moving provides free wardrobe boxes for local moves as long as we can have them back when you are happily moved into your new place. Step 5. Empty out all the furniture, including drawers of the dressers, nightstands, cabinets, and bookcases. Leave all furniture easily accessible to your movers. Step 6. Take down all pictures and mirrors and lean them against the wall. Step 7. Unplug any electronic or other device from the outlets. Step 8. Gather all your valuables, money, jewelry, personal documents, laptops, phones, and take them with you as you move to your new place. Step 9. Confirm your move with your representative. This will be a good chance to go over the inventory and double-check all the information. Step 10. On the day of the move, communicate primarily with your foreman. Just ask him rather than the crew for what you need. We would like to thank you for choosing Dumbo Moving and Storage. Follow these simple directions and soon you'll be in your new home enjoying the view. And don't forget, we like to move it.